Something's got him. Get you guys in the line of sight here. That's a Strike King Ragetail. I believe that's a 3-inch crawl imitation, coffee scented. That's a Berkeley power tube, 3.5 inch. And then this is a Rebel grasshopper. Got a little special treat for you guys today. Fishing this creek, first time fishing it this year. It's my favorite place to fish. Came by it probably a dozen times, and every single time I come by, it's either flooded, the water several feet up. It just hasn't really been the right conditions to get out here and actually do a video. But it's gorgeous, perfect today. It's clear as it can be, water's down. There is no excuse why we can't catch the smallmouth. So let's get to it, and hopefully you guys enjoy the video. There's a fish. Dude just tapped it once right there. See if we can get him on here. There's one, there's one, there's one, there's one. All right, let's get this tube back in here. There's a fish right there. Dang. Come on, boys. There's a fish. There's one. He nipped at it. There's another one. Ah. There's a fish on it right now. He's nailing it. I missed another fish, I'm done. One more. One right there on it. There we go. Finally. Goodness gracious, how many did I have to miss? Come here, boy. There we go. All right, let's see if we can catch another one. There's one. Another one. There we go. There we go. A largemouth. There's a fish. There's one, there's one, there's one. There we go. Oh. Fucking little dancer. Get up here, bub. I hooked you. Oh, we got you in the mouth still. Oh, that was cool. There's a dancing machine right there. There's a fish on him. Oh yeah, baby. Dang. Nice one. Oh yeah. We are laying a little bit of a smackdown on him now after that rough start. Huh. First time trying this mini crawl out. That one right there, he literally just bit it and then he started swimming downstream at a slow pace. I had no idea he was even on there. There's a fish. Oh, dang it. There's another one. Oh, man. What in the world? A crappie? On a crawl. That is cool. We love that. Oh, I love catching crappie. What are you doing hitting a crawfish, man? That is so cool. Something right there. That dude is massive. I think it's a carp. Look at that fish. Huge carp. See him right there? Oh man, that was a big bass. Multiple huge carp right here. I mean, that is a big boy right there. For a little creek like this, that's a huge carp. Watch this, I'll scare him. Look at the size of this thing. Look at that carp. That is a beast. Oh yeah. Are you serious right now? I saw this crappie pick it up. Well, I mean, I didn't see what it was, but I saw the bait vanish. That is so cool. In here eating crawfish. There we go. Nice. Nice little sunfish. Really? Come on, man. Don't do that. Beautiful little guy. Oh yeah. I wasn't even paying attention. I was oaring over here beside me. It's a little bit nicer fish. Whatever it is.
smallmouth. But we've got some pretty light line on here. I think I have either a 2 pound or 4 pound test on, so nothing too big. Heck yeah. It will take that all day on this little grasshopper. That is sweet. Beautiful little guy. He is dark. There we go. There we got on there. Little bluegill probably. Oh yeah.
Yikes. That was a little scary. Well guys, it's really starting to come down, the rain out here, so I'm just taking off. Got to fish for about an hour and a half, 2 hours roughly. Had a pretty good outing. Missed quite a few fish though. It's kind of strange missing that many on the crawl, but overall pretty successful. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna get out of here. The rain's really starting to come down, but hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.